Everyone. In the line plots and this this first line of code df1 dot data types. This function retrieves the data types of all columns in the data frame df1. The output shows the data type of each column, which helps us to understanding how the data is stored and interpreted in the data frame. And also we use here the same dataset as we used couple of videos for last couple of videos. And after that this line of code, this df1 of last updated dot head, this code basically extracts the month from the last updated date from the data frame df1. And this code displays the first few entries of the last updated column to show the format of the date data. So it demonstrates how to access and preview a specific column in the data frame, providing insight into the structure of the data for further analysis. And after that, the next line of code, this code converts the last updated column in the data frame df1 into the date time format. And pd.to date time, this thing basically converts the last updated column from string format to determined format and assigns it to a new variable called up underscore dt. And up underscore dt dot head basically displays the first few entries of the up underscore date series to show converted date time values. So these lines of code demonstrates how to convert string based data into date type format, which is essential for time series analysis and various other operations involving dates and times. So and basically and the next line of code here, the df1 of updated month, this line of code, this code calculates the average rating of apps across all the months. And update and this thing update.dt.month, this extracts the month component from the date time values in the last updated column and creates a new column named updated underscore month. And this the second line of code df1 dot group by, this thing this groups the data frame df1 by the updated month column and calculates the mean of the rating column within each group, resulting in the average rating for each month. And basically here these lines of code, basically the plotting of a line graph. And this code generates a line graph showing the average rating of apps across different months. And this thing average underscore rate dot plot, this function plots the data from the average rate series as a line graph, and the x-axis represents the months and the y-axis represents the average rating. And after that we also learned we also learned the stacked bar charts. And this is the last video of the last tutorial for data visualization techniques. So let's see some stacked bar charts. The first line of code, the first line of code basically creates a stacked bar plot using matplotlib. And each line basically here we describe here that first line that we import the matplotlib library for plotting. And after that x represents the categories for the bars, y1 y2 basically represent the heights of the bars for two different data sets. And plt dot bar, this thing the first plt dot bar of x and y1, this thing plots the first set of bars with heights y1 in red color. plt dot bar x comma y2 bottom y1 and color b, this plots the second set of bars with heights y2 stacked on the top of the first set, starting at the height specified by y1 in blue color. And plt dot show basically displays the plot. And after that the next line of code here, this code creates a stacked bar plot using pandas and matplotlib. So the first thing we import the matplotlib.pyplot. as we previous line of code we saw that. And after that, the df equal to pd dot data frame. This thing creates a data frame with team names and their corresponding scores for 4 rounds. And df dot plot plots the data frame columns as a stacked bar plot. And x equal to team specifies x-axis values as the team column. Kind equal to bar basically specifies the plot type as a bar plot. Stacked equal to true means stacks the bars for each round. And title stacked bar graph by data frame, and it basically sets the title of the plot. And plt dot show again that displays the plots. So we saw for last couple of videos the various data visualization techniques, like scatter plot, pair plot, and all of these things. So thank you guys.